welcome back. So today's video, I may have filmed a lot of videos back to back, but I go back to work tomorrow and I'm going to try to edit them and start getting them uploaded. So for today's video, we have my Glam bag. Glam bag is like $15 a month, I think, $12 a month, I don't remember. I pay for the whole year, so that's why I don't remember. And you get like 5 sample items, sometimes full, and a little bag. And every month is themed, and I've been getting them now for this is my second year. And I do enjoy it. I do enjoy it. It gives you like a small little variety of new things to try that I may not feel like going out and buying. And right now, really don't feel like going out and buying. So it's kind of nice to have all these little bags of stuff sent to your house. Because, you know what? I don't gotta go anywhere. I don't gotta see anyone. I don't have to fight a crowd. And that's nice for me. So, without further ado, we're going to jump in this bag and let me pull the bag out. This month's bag is kind of fluffy and like lamb fur, and that's nice. And it's got a long little thing that says Ipsy on the far corner, and I like this. I like it. It's kind of like a pinkish lamb wool. I like it. So that's the bag for this month. And then inside here I noticed that I have a couple of items. So I'm going to go with that. The 3 are in that bag, and then I have 2. So we'll get those out, and I will pop this off over here now. So the first item I am pulling up here is a brush by La Rousse. And it looks like a blender brush, and it's really soft and nice. I like the handle. I think I have like a set of these actually, so I probably already have one of these, but it's always nice to get another one because I always misplace them and I rarely use them. And the other item is by It Cosmetics, and it's Superhero, and it's the mascara, and I'm going to tell you, I do love this. I have a full size, got it in one of these boxes, so this makes me super excited. The only thing it would make me more excited is that if it was like not black, but that's okay. So I'll show you the brush on this one. It's right here, but I do like it. I do like using it. It does make you have full lashes. So that's kind of neat that it's a little small, like one that I can put in my purse. Maybe I'll wear it more often because I got a small one. Small one. Okay, so let's open this up. And then inside here, Home for the Holidays is the theme. Ipsy Holiday, it says in the corner. So I don't know if it's Holiday or Home for the Holidays is... Home for the Holidays is what I feel like this month's theme is. This one says that right down there. So, but this doesn't really get to tell me a whole lot about my items. I know one of the bags does have that. It tells me a whole bunch, but this one just doesn't. This one tells me how to distress my hair and gives me a recipe. And lip up your skin and give you a recipe. I guess that's okay. I mean, here's just some DIY beauty recipes. But, kind of wouldn't mind having, like, what's in the bag, too. They could make it like where you open it this way after you open it this way. And it could have, like, all my bag stuff over here. And then the recipes. And then maybe something else. Like, here. Feel good about yourself. I don't know. So, let's see what else is in this bag. Okay. Oh, this is eyeshadow by Violet Voss. I do like getting eyeshadows. It's kind of neat to get a one-off eyeshadow. So, I like the packaging of this, actually. Don't know if I like the color. It says it's Magic Hour. Like the name of it. Okay, so it looks like it's like a gold shimmer, and that's okay. So we'll swatch it on the back of my hand. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Oh yeah, you can. But it's really nice one-off color. So you got your mascara and your little blendy brush, your eyeshadow, and by Mud Masky, facial detox purifying recovery mask. So that's nice. Just probably 2 uses in that, if that. And the last item in here is by Pure Brazilian, and it's leave-in conditioner. And I started using these things that I've gotten for my hair, and this Pure Brazilian is a really great brand, except couldn't find it in the store. And I go with it, you have to buy it probably in Sephora or Ulta. I broke. Straight up, smells like coconut. So that's nice. So that's the last item. So there you go. Got something for your hair. Leave-on mask, an eyeshadow, mascara, and a brush. Pretty much everything you need for a nice, easy look and to go out into public or just loaf around the house and watch TV, and all fits in this little bag. So that is what I got in my Ipsy Glam bag. If this looks like something interesting to you, just make sure you check out the links in the description. I should be getting my Glam Bag Plus soon, so tune in for that video. And if you like my quirky style of where I just ramble really fast and go through products, you can always subscribe and hit like. Leave me a comment or two. Tell me what's been going on, how you've overcome being trapped in the house all the time, or have you noticed that you just get a lot of anxiety if there's a few people around you? You know, I'm a very social person, and I never really had that, like where crowds have bothered me. And I started noticing that you get a couple too many people in a smaller area, and I kind of want to pull all my hair out now. So, maybe it's my age, but I feel like it's everything else going on. So, just leave me a comment. Tell me how you've been feeling. And as always, I will see you in the next video. And I heart your face. And I hope you have a fantastic, wonderful holiday and day. Alright, bye.